Hi everyone, Stacy Whiter here on behalf of Campus Mortgage with part 2 of a 3-part video series on Fannie Mae's HomeStyle renovation loan. Now just a quick reminder before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice or used in place of Fannie Mae guidelines. Also, this video was issued on September 12, 2017, and the information contained in this video is subject to change without notice. So as we've already discussed, the HomeStyle renovation mortgage is a great mortgage that allows borrowers to include repairs and renovations into the financing of a purchase or a refinance of a home. Let's continue on and take a look at some of the general guidelines. It can be a purchase or a limited cash-out refinance. 15 or 30-year fixed rates or ARM rates are available as well. It can be a 1 to 4 unit principal residence, a 1 unit secondary and investment residence. Condos, co-ops, PUDs are allowed. However, you cannot use this program on manufactured homes. Subordinating financing and community seconds are allowed as well. When it comes to the renovations, any type of renovation or repair is eligible as long as it adds value to the property and is permanently affixed to the property. So some examples, and again, these are just a few examples, not an exhaustive list. Adding a room, so it can be a structural repair or a structural renovation. Upgrading or redoing plumbing, electrical, HVAC, roofing, siding, landscaping, even painting. So it can be structural or it can be more of a cosmetic repair. LTV guidelines. If it's a purchase, the LTV is going to be based on the lesser of either the sales price plus the renovation costs or the as completed value. If it's a refinance, then the LTV is going to be determined by the original loan amount divided by the as completed value. So Fannie Mae has provided a form which makes it very easy for you to determine the loan amount. This is called Form 1035. You can just go to Fannie Mae or Google it and you'll be able to find the form, but highly recommend using this form if you're trying to formulate how to calculate the loan amount based on the renovations. But just remember, the renovation costs cannot exceed 50% of the as completed value, so very important there. All right, everyone, that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching part 2 of this 3-part video series. For more tips and videos, please visit campusmortgage.org and look for their weekly mortgage video tips designed for all mortgage professionals, including underwriters, loan officers, processors, closers, and post-closers. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.